Indian Navy carried out successful flight trials of first naval anti-ship missile. The trials have proven the missile's man-in-loop feature and scored direct hit on a small ship target in sea-skimming mode at its maximum range. The Bangladesh Army has recently received first batch of Turkish MKE Boran 105mm howitzers. These lightweight artillery systems are designed to offer a range of up to 17 km with standard M1 ammunition and up to 21 km with long-range shells, significantly boosting its firepower. Teledyne FLIR Defense has been awarded a $15 million contract to provide Black Hornet 4 nano drone to German military. The Black Hornet is an advanced nano drone system designed for covert surveillance and reconnaissance in high-risk operational environments. Ukrainian forces have begun using light unmanned aircraft armed with aerial bombs to strike Russian military positions. Thermal imaging footage recorded by Russian forces shows a low-flying aircraft passing over enemy positions before an explosion is heard, indicating a successful bomb drop.